Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming firmware and a stable Bluetooth pairing. This ensures spatial audio behaves predictably. Pair your Solo 4 to an iPhone running the latest iOS, then open Control Center and locate the headphone Spatialize or Spatial Audio entry. Tap it to turn spatial audio on and select automatic or fixed depending on listening type. Once enabled, test with Dolby Atmos content so you can immediately hear differences and confirm the feature is active. Now refine how spatial effects are delivered. Go to Settings and choose whether head tracking or a fixed virtual stage suits your use. Head tracking follows your movement for movies. Fixed often helps music. Make sure Dolby Atmos is enabled in music or video app settings so source content is decoded. Adjust the Solo 4 fit and device volume so levels and imaging remain consistent. Small changes in seal or loudness shift perceived spatial width, so iterate until instruments and effects sit naturally around you. Finish by verifying across several tracks and streaming sources to ensure spatial audio stability. Some streams vary in metadata. If spatial cues collapse or feel mono, restart your phone and repair the Solo 4. That often clears Bluetooth negotiation hiccups. If problems persist, update or reinstall firmware, and only then perform a factory reset on the Solo 4. One key tip: check for obstructions and close competing Bluetooth apps. Interference often masquerades as spatial distortion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.